Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 7 of Business Ethics. I'm the professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. As you can see, in this week, we're going to be talking about chapter 5, where we look about why should a business manager be moral. And it's one of those things where in business, we have a lot of different conflicting interests. Usually whenever people ask, what's the important part of management in business, it's usually to make a profit. It's usually to do things that make the business look better and do better. But sometimes doing that kind of puts you in conflict with ethical morals of Christianity and other factors as well. You definitely learned different ways of looking at different moral situations. So I definitely want you to look and think through those situations as we've talked this week. This week we're reading chapter 5. As always, remember that you have the 3 case studies to do. So spread those out if you like. I know some of you guys will probably wait till the last week to do all of them, which is next week. But I strongly suggest against that because it's very stressful and I don't want anybody having stress. This class should be easy, it should be fun and informative. So, at least the professor thinks so. If you guys have any questions about that, let me know. I'll definitely help there. But this week we have a video that's called Why Should a Business Manager Be Moral? And you can watch it through clicking on this. We're also going to have a discussion board post like we do every week. And we want to kind of have your post on that. If you can do those by Wednesday, that would be great because I'd love to talk to you guys. I know that some people usually end up turning them in on Sunday, and it's okay. Remember, you have to post at least on 2 other people's posts. And if you post before Sunday night, it will be likely commented by me because I like to definitely comment on each student's stuff. But I definitely want you guys to definitely look at this and really start thinking through that. Again, we have that discussion board post, and you have the freedom to do 3 case studies for any part of the book before the end of the class. Again, I would like for you to spread those out, but definitely that's your preference and your choice. But if you have any questions about anything this week or run into anything you might have a question that you might need assistance with, let me know. I'm happy to help you, and I'll see you in the discussion board this week. Thanks.